Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and learners, once again, welcome in today's lecture. You know, we have started unit number 13 and now we have reached at lecture number 4A. So let's start. This is our unit number 13 and our today's competency is oral communication, lecture number 4A. Dear learners, before going deep into the topic, we must understand what is SLO. So come to the board and try to dissect and understand what the SLO is saying. Yes, speak confidently. Yes, with confidence speak using complex vocabulary. And the other one, the other thing in this SLO is use complex vocabulary and longer sentences to fulfill different purposes. So, dear learners, this SLO is about speaking confidently. How speak confidently but with complex vocabulary and longer sentences. This is all about this SLO. Now, move to the vertical linkage and then brainstorming. After having the view of these two slides, we will move ahead to understand this topic deeply. So, move to the board. Yes, this is vertical linkage. Speak confidently using complex vocabulary and longer sentences, same as LO at class 6. Now, brainstorming. You know very well, brainstorming is that activity which connects us with the main topic. When you speak to someone, what helps you look confident and clear? Definitely, there are two things. So, dear learners, this statement has connected us with the main topic. And the brainstorming statement is telling us what are the things when we speak to someone, which are the things which make us confident. So, the first and foremost thing is whatever you are speaking, it should be you should be clear about that concept you are having shared with other people. And the second one, you must have the appropriate and impressive vocabulary. And if you have the combination of longer sentences, then your confident speaking has a very bright and colorful and impressive impact on the listener and the person to which you are communicating. So, this is all about this brainstorming activity or the statement. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, confident speaking, like this child, this kid, this student. Now, move to the next slide. Now, we are having a look at the process of confident speaking. So, confident speaking means talking clearly without fear. Yes, this is called confident speaking. Whenever you speak, you must speak without any fear. It means sharing your ideas in a strong voice. When you have no fear, your strong will become automatically strong and it creates a good impact on your audience. A confident speaker uses what the things a confident speaker uses. Number one, complex vocabulary, longer sentences, a clear purpose why he or she is speaking. So these are the very important things for confident speaking. So, dear learners, I hope you have pretty much connected with and you have pretty much known about what is confident speaking. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, importance of confident speaking. Yes, importance. What is the importance? It helps others. Yes. What, in which things it helps other understand you easily. Whatever you're saying, other people can easily understand, makes your ideas sound strong and meaningful. Yes. And the next thing and the next point which tells the importance of confident speaking is helps you perform better in class and daily life, and at the last builds leadership skills. Yes, it is the best quality of leadership. Now, Dear learners, I hope you have understood this thing very clearly. Now, move to the next slide. Now, we have reached at the complex vocabulary. The word complex tells us tough, difficult, a little bit impressive. That is called complex vocabulary. And you know, vocabulary means a group of words or a lot of words which you use in your daily usage. That is called vocabulary. Complex vocabulary means using stronger and better words instead of simple words. Yes, definitely. Examples: big is a very simple word, but you can use huge, gigantic. Yes, these are the what? Complex words on the place of big. In the same case, good, but it is simple word. Everybody knows, I think so. But excellent is really a good choice on the place of good. And happy is a simple one, but joyful is not a simple. It is what? Complex as compared to happy, help, and sport. It makes your speaking more powerful and interesting. So, dear learners, the importance of complex vocabulary is that it creates impression of your speaking on your audience. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, longer meaningful sentences. Yes, longer sentences and meaningful sentences. This is the combination which make you more confident. If you use the sentences, if they are longer and they have clear meanings in it, they create everlasting impact on your audience. A longer sentence gives more details so others understand your idea better. It connects ideas using words like because, although, when, so. Yes. Dear learners, in this slide, we try to learn what is longer sentence but meaningful sentences. And in this slide, we also learn one thing that is very important: how we can make our sentences longer and meaningful by using these words. So, because they can make our sentences longer and meaningful. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, this examples. Look at the examples of the longer sentences and meaningful sentences. Look at this. This is a very short sentence. The dog is cute, but look at the longer sentence. The dog is cute because it has soft white fur and a friendly smile. This is an exact example how we can make a short sentence and how we can convert a short sentence into a longer and meaningful sentence. Yes, why use longer sentences? It is very important. Longer sentences show clear thinking. Longer sentences make your speaking sound and organized and self cleared. Yes. So, dear students, we have seen and understood so many aspects of longer sentences and complex vocabulary. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, speaking for different purposes. What is this? Speaking for different purposes. We speak for different purposes means how means if you are in the class, it is one purpose. If you are on the stage and talking to a lot of audience, it is another purpose. And if you are in you can say that TV room, and your purpose is to impress your audience and convince your audience. So every speaker has different purposes for speaking. Good speakers know their purpose. Yes, this is very important. Common purposes. What are the common purposes of the speaker? Number one, explaining. Yes, the purpose of the speaker, sometimes the speaker is talking for the sake of, for the purpose of explaining the topic he has given, telling how something works. Example, look at this. Plants need sunlight to make their food. Yes, this means the speaker has the purpose of explaining the process. So, dear learners, the first purpose we have learned. And now move to the next slide and let's see what is the next purpose of speaking. Yes. Speaking for different purposes. Number two, the second purpose is describing, telling what something looks like. Yes. Now look at the example. The classroom is bright and colorful with charts on walls. Yes, this is an example which is describing. Now, what this sentence is describing about classroom. The classroom is bright, colorful with charts. This is called describing. Now, third the third point of different purposes, it means that the third purpose of speaking is persuading. Persuading means convincing. Convincing means to make other people come to your idea and they get impression and they became impressed by your talk. Yes, persuading, convincing someone. Example, we should plant more trees to look keep our schools clean and cool. This is a persuading statement. So, dear learners, we have learned at this slide what the three purposes of speaking. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, after learning about different purposes of speaking, we have reached at another quality of speaking, yeah, that is tone and clarity. When you speak, your tone and clarity, it means that your tone should be positive and according to the talk, and it should have a clarity. Let's see what does mean by these two terms. Yes, tone means how your voice sounds friendly, looks friendly, serious, excited, calm. Yes, it depends for what purpose you are talking. Tone means when you are in a big gathering, in your friends' gathering, your tone should be friendly. And if you are in a, you can say that professional duty, it should be serious. And if you are persuading something, it should be excited and calm. So we can say that these are the types of tones. Use a tone that matches your message, that matches your talk. And clarity, bad clarity, what does it mean? Look at this example. Did you know what's happened? I do know. I do know what happened. Good clarity. I don't know what happened. So this is not a clear expression tone, but here this sentence is very clear. No, this is called tone and clarity. So, dear learners, I hope you have learned about these two main points of speaking. Now, move to the next slide. Yes, how to speak confidently steps. Now, we are going to recapitulate and try to understand how we can speak confidently and capitulating step by step. Yes, simple steps are here. Number one, stand or sit straight. If you are talking on the stage and you have to stand, just stand and straight. Yes, and if you are in a sitting posture, then you should be straight. Number two, take a small breath before speaking. Yes, you can do this activity as well before talking, before you're starting your speech. And use strong words. It means that complex vocabulary, and use longer, organized sentences and meaningful sentences. Yes, number five, speak with clear purpose. Explain, describe, persuade. This is called clear purpose. Keep your tone friendly and clear. Practice daily, even with your friends or with mirror. In this way, you can improve your speaking. Yes. So, my dear learners, I hope so. You have understood this concept very clearly. So, now this is, I think, so all about our today's lecture. Now, move to the next slide and try to have what is ahead for us to understand. Yes, no, you have looked at this. There are simulation for you people, and you can get advantage from the simulations to enhance your concept more. And worksheets are also here attached with PPT, and our resources are there along with PPT. Worksheets are there, skill sheets are there, lesson plans are there, and question banks are there for you people, and you can get advantage. So, my dear learners, this is all about our today's lecture. I hope you have learned a lot and you enjoyed it. And kindly wait our next lecture. Till that lecture, take care of yourself. But before saying to goodbye, I would like to say thank you so much. Now, take care of yourself. See you tomorrow with the new lecture. Allah Hafiz.